For a long time, the United States, as a digital hegemon, has two most sensitive core technologies. One is communication networks and the other is chip. In the process of the digital wave sweeping the world, the U.S. monopoly on chip technology can almost bring permanent benefits to the U.S. Mastering the core communication technology can extend the life of the U.S. PRISM project, thus consolidating the U.S.'s position in the Five Eyes alliance. However, Huawei has reached the world's leading level in both aspects, and at the same time has begun to erode the interests of the United States in the world. Even though Huawei has always acted cautiously, it has suffered a heavy blow from the United States. While we are speaking out against injustice, we also saw Huawei's counterattacks in many fields. For example, the United States did not allow Huawei to import chips, and Huawei's mobile phone business suffered heavy losses. Therefore, Huawei broke with traditional thinking and began to focus on automobiles, games, cloud computing and other fields to look for new opportunities. The United States does not accept Huawei's 5G, and Huawei charges patent fees to American companies. The United States does not allow Huawei to use the Android operating system, and Huawei has launched its self-developed HarmonyOS. Hi everyone, welcome to Eyes of Real China. Here is a place for you to find a real China. Every day, we will focus on the latest and prevalent news of China and explore the hidden truth and philosophy behind the news. Before we start today's video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. In this video, we are going to talk about Huawei's HarmonyOS, which is another proof that Huawei has broken the Western technological monopoly after 5G. All in all, the US wants to kill Huawei, but in fact, it creates a bigger and stronger Huawei. So, how powerful is Huawei's HarmonyOS? Why do so many people choose Harmony? After Huawei launched the Harmony operating system, many Huawei users chose to upgrade at the first time, and even caused the upgrade system to be paralyzed for a time. There is news that 1 week after Huawei opened the upgrade, the number of people who upgraded HarmonyOS has exceeded 10 million, and this number is still growing. For Huawei, although it is still very young compared to Android and iOS, it is a very good result. Why do so many people choose HarmonyOS? From my perspective, the reason why so many people choose it is that on the one hand, before the official release of HarmonyOS, Huawei has conducted internal tests on some models, and many users have reported that HarmonyOS is not inferior to Android in terms of fluency and utilization of system hardware resources. The relevant evaluation software also gives very reliable test data. In the case of multi-software operation, the application recovery rate of Harmony far exceeds Apple's iOS, and it is even ahead of Google's Android. On the other hand, the operating system is like a weapon, and it is related to the national security strategy. Huawei used the money it earned to take on social responsibilities, such as solving problems such as lithography machines and chips, and solving the problem of the system being monopolized by the West. Many people hope to contribute to the development of domestic operating systems in this way. Perhaps this is the main reason why HarmonyOS is supported by many Chinese. It is worth noting that Huawei has also launched a 100 mobile phone upgrade plan. Even if Huawei Mate 9 released many years ago, it can still be upgraded to HarmonyOS in subsequent upgrades. According to previous disclosures by Huawei, it is expected that 200 million Huawei devices will be upgraded to HarmonyOS by the end of this year, and 100 million third-party devices will also be connected to the HarmonyOS. So far, the number of global users of Google's Android is about 2 billion. This is the result of Google's years of confrontation with Apple. At present, Google's user volume has tended to be maximized. Any changes in the mobile phone market will have an impact on Google. Now, HarmonyOS can get 10 million users within a week, and with the continuous opening of subsequent models, HarmonyOS users is expected to exceed 100 million. All in all, this is a powerful counterattack against Google and the United States. The epidemic, the Sino-US tech war, and the market performance of HarmonyOS have made us realize that the prosperity of a country does not depend on the wealth of the treasury or the strength of its military, but on the foresight and civilization of the people. In the face of being sanctioned by the West, the number of users of HarmonyOS has nearly exceeded 10 million in a short period of time, which proves the unity and cohesion of Chinese nation. In a word, no technology company like Huawei symbolizes the emerging competition between China and the United States. The Shenzhen Telecommunications Company has been one of China's leading tech giants, and in 2019 to 2020 has been ruthlessly hit by the US, which Washington has tried to destroy it by various means. From blocking exports to Huawei, isolating it from the global chipmaker, forcing their allies to ban it from its 5G networks, bringing criminal charges against it and kidnapping one of its executives, the U.S.'s sanction on the company is sweeping and ruthless, seriously damaged Huawei's commercial wealth. However, we see that Huawei is constantly and actively adjusting. From a mental point of view, Huawei has adapted to the current predicament. Huawei's CEO, Ren Zhengfei, also said that he is grateful to the United States, because the United States has made Huawei more united as never before. Moreover, in December 2019, when Ren Zhengfei was interviewed by Canadian media, he also left a very classic comment: Huawei not only has no deficit this year, but also has a very large profit. This is because the US government, they help us to promote our products all over the world. If some countries were skeptical of Huawei in the past, the blow from the US only gave them more confidence. The number of visitors to Huawei increased 69% this year, and when they saw that the version of our production line had no American components, they took it back and tested it and found it was very good. In fact, sometimes the company's development is like this. If you don't have an opponent, you can easily lose yourself. Now that Huawei has a clear goal, it has stronger cohesion and development momentum. Huawei's goal now is to survive with high quality. This idea is very correct. If Huawei falls, then everything is empty talk. If we want to survive, we must transform. Huawei has made a lot of adjustments in the past 2 years and made many new products, such as watches, computers, TVs, etc. The revenue of these products is increasing. In addition, in the fields of automobiles and other fields, Huawei also has a layout. All in all, if there is no US sanctions, Huawei's Kirin chips could continue to develop, but China may only have Huawei's Kirin chips forever. Just like Pepsi would not be so successful without Coca-Cola. KFC would not have succeeded without McDonald's. Mercedes-Benz wouldn't be successful without BMW. Now, let us pay tribute to our great opponents. Because of your efforts, we will be stronger in the future. Okay, that's all for today. Your likes and views are the encouragement that we can move on more videos in the future. Please put your comments below and share your insightful ideas with other people. We would appreciate it if you subscribed our channel and gave us a thumb. Goodbye.